Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. In this video, we're going to show you how to view your recent transactions in TD Canada. On their website, you will see a section for Easy Web Online Banking. Click on the Login button under Easy Web Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, click on your TD account. In this case, I only have a TD minimum checking account. Now, you will see your recent account activity under the Activity section. If you wish to view a particular transaction, click on the drop-down arrow. Then select from the list of options. That's how you view your recent transactions in TD Canada. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.